Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to block someone in Twitter. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your devices. It doesn't matter if it is phone, mobile, tablet, iPad, whatever device, even PC, and then open your Twitter. So, let's go ahead and open Twitter. Here we go. And here, as you can see, guys, what you can do is log into your account. You can log into your account on both, like any device. So log into your account. After that, if you want to ban or block someone, all you need to do is go to his account. So here we go. And from here, guys, all we need to do is, for example, we click on the 3 points. After that, this list will appear for us. So it is here, turn off retweet, view topics, add remove, view list, view moments, share, copy, mute, block, and report. So all you need to do is click on block, then block, and as you can see here, they will not be able to follow you or view your tweets, and you will not be able to do the same. So click on block. Here we go. Now the user is blocked. If you want to ever go and unblock him, you can just click here and unblock him. So we can go even here, block, and then more. We can go to settings and here setting and privacy. And you can search here for blocked user. So mute and block. Here you will find all the blocked accounts and you can actually go to them and unblock them in case you couldn't search for them in this search engine. So once more guys, for you to understand how, you just have to go to to your Twitter account and then from there search for any kind of account that you want to block and then click here block, and just like so you will be blocking somebody in Twitter. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. If you have any other question, please leave them in the comment section down below, and see ya in the next tutorial.